Hi there, CionSstems here. We're an American cybersecurity company that focuses on enterprise identity management with a decades-long specialism in Active Directory. Our mission is to explore strange new worlds and seek... Nah, I'm just kidding. It's to protect your Active Directory, obviously. So, what is Active Directory?
AD is the beating heart of your enterprise, with over 90% of global businesses relying on it. AD is the directory service that enables administrators to manage and secure their IT resources at the enterprise levels. It stores information about network objects, including users, groups, systems, networks, applications, digital assets, and many others, and their often complex relationship to one another. It is the bank of all privilege and credential to all enterprise assets. Admins can use AD to create users and grant them access to Windows laptops, servers, and applications. They can also use AD to control groups of systems at the same time, enforcing security settings and software updates across the organization. Generally speaking, when an organization leverages AD, every single employee uses it every day without even knowing it. People use AD when they log into their work machines, when they access apps, printers, and file shares. But the expert users of AD are the admins who actually operate, manage, and configure AD. AD admins likely include all of the IT teams and may also include members of the security, DevOps, or engineering teams. As enterprises adopt new solutions, local or in the cloud, ensuring the right level of user access become unmanageable, costly, and dangerous. Users end up with the wrong levels of access, leading to security and data breaches, which often result in compliance and governance issues. Target, 40 million credit cards. Home Depot, 54 million credit cards. SolarWind, meat plant, Colonial Gas Pipeline, and many more, each recently had security breaches that went undetected for months, due to an inability to track change management of identity and access in real time. It can take months to determine who has what access to which resources due to complexity of the infrastructure, tools, and lack of expertise. So, it is not surprising that AD is now widely considered the number one attack vector for cyber criminals, with virtually all significant ransomware cases involving the hacker taking advantage of weaknesses in the victim's AD platform. With virtually all estimate of 95 million AD accounts attacked daily, over 100,000 since you started watching, then you start to understand how serious the issue is.
By now, it should be clear that if your company's Active Directory isn't secure, then nothing is. At CionSstems, we've spent years developing a market-leading security solution that protects your AD like no other. Introducing AD Guardian. AD Guardian is split across a number of products with over 15 different enterprise-class modules. It really is the most comprehensive Active Directory solution on the market. But don't take our word for it. We've won several awards from top industry publications that say so. AD Guardian is a robust end-to-end identity management solution, providing enhanced organizational controls for enterprise-scale environments. By centralizing control of user accounts, entitlements, change alerts, group policies, provisioning, and security access, AD Guardian enhances and simplifies legal and regulatory compliance and, pay attention here, adds exceptionally strong security to the most critical enterprise infrastructure. AD Guardian is the easiest, most efficient way to manage and secure your organization's Active Directory. So, why is this important? Well, first of all, too many people believe that having a privilege access management or PAM solution or having a security event and incident management or SIEM solution is good enough. But PAM and SIEM are only a small piece of the much larger and confusing identity access management puzzle that enterprises have to stay on top of. SIEM solutions are based on logs and events. It is critical to note that for many types of changes, Active Directory does not create events. PAM provides protection only for privileged identities, but there are many other identities and objects. Combine that with the fact that there are several ways to grant privileges in AD, and you will likely start to run into issues very quickly with over-reliance on PAM solutions. AD Guardian solves for this, while also reducing high-privilege accounts, simplifying permission management, and providing in-depth reporting and audits, including file share management and permission reporting, all with a few easy clicks of a button. Now let's set the record straight. Active Directory is constantly changing, mostly behind the scenes, and there is no way to monitor this with native toolsets. It is vital to take immediate action for any unauthorized changes to access control. Relying solely on an event log or SIEM is woefully insufficient and may lead to tragic consequences. Simplify password-related headaches with our self-service solution. Easily implement protection from password spraying while forcing the use of strong passwords with disallowed password dictionaries. Enforce workflows for access and entitlement by owners while your IT department gets deep oversight into enterprise decisions. Protect your Windows servers, desktops, laptops, tablets, virtual systems on-premises and in the cloud with multi-factor authentication. Simplify and bridge enterprise security with Azure AD MFA and geofencing. Take back control of cumbersome and unwieldy enterprise-wide GPOs that control all systems and users in the organization, and enforce governance with our easy-to-use AD Guardian. Disasters do happen, trust us, and they come when you least expect or want them. The disaster can take the form of a simple inadvertent change, a totally corrupted AD, a breached AD, or domain controllers crashing, all with the potential to bring your enterprise to a grinding halt. Whatever the scenario, our disaster recovery module can reduce enterprise downtime from months to minutes. Our rollback capabilities cover the entire enterprise forest, down to a single attribute. Maybe you have a transitionary workforce or user base, meaning users, employees, vendors, students, or a plethora of other contacts can join and leave your organization frequently. These changes are often made in a system of record, such as an HR database or maybe a school information system, but are not properly updated or maintained in Active Directory. So, AD continues to store these accounts, meaning that they can be leveraged by bad actors to attack, steal, or spy on enterprise assets. Failing to deprovision and revoke access is a huge security risk. Moreover, the sheer number of these accounts can make it infeasible for IT teams to ensure good security hygiene manually. The remedy? Well, why not use our automated entitlement provisioning functionality to keep your systems up to date and in sync with Active Directory, both fixing the problem and freeing up time. Day-to-day AD monitoring and compliance are a piece of cake with our powerful reporting tools. They provide deep and valuable access, analysis, and functionality to convert raw data into meaningful and actionable reports, empowering the administrator, senior management, or auditors with unrivaled insight into their Active Directory infrastructure. Furthermore, AD Guardian simplifies and automates a wide array of critical tasks and reduces outages by eliminating manual processes and scripts. Yep, you heard that right. No scripting or coding required. All of this is really just a helicopter tour of the value that AD Guardian will add to your enterprise security posture. We have only just begun to scratch the surface of the breadth of capabilities built into this solution, and we would love to arrange a proof of concept with you.
Thank you for watching our company video. We'd love to hear from you and discuss your AD needs. We even have a free enterprise assessment tool. You're more than welcome to try it out. So, if you would like to secure your AD and protect the keys to your digital kingdom, get in touch today. Now, if you'll excuse us, we need to get back to researching new solutions to keep your Active Directory safe. Ciao.